The Queensland Premier says the state's hospitals are coping despite a sharp increase in the number of COVID cases. The Premier also announced that young children will qualify for vaccination from today.
Despite Queensland recording 784 cases, Premier Annastacia Palaszczuk is staying positive, stating the Queensland health system is coping.
We are not seeing any massive impacts on our hospitals, which is really good news today, but we are monitoring this very closely. I just want to reassure Queenslanders that although we are seeing increase of cases as we have expected, we've been planning for this, we are not seeing the impacts on our hospital system to date. But I want to assure every Queenslander that we are monitoring this very, very carefully.
4 patients are in hospital, and Queensland Chief Health Officer John Gerard said the low number was testimony to the success of the state's vaccination rollout.
The numbers of significantly unwell patients in hospital with COVID-19 remains low, with only 4 reported.
He had this reassurance for those double vaccinated, questioning the need for a booster shot.
The numbers of patients that are in hospital sick suggests strongly that these vaccines are working. It is quite striking.
The Premier said vaccination numbers are set to jump sharply. From today, young children will be eligible for the shots.
Those children who are under the age of 12, so 5 to 11, from today, Queensland Health will start accepting your bookings for children. So they will be able to start getting their vaccinations from January the 10th. And of course, children will also be able to go to the GPs and the pharmacies as well to get their vaccines.
The Premier acknowledged the anger of those turned away from COVID testing clinics today. She blamed the queues on the extra pressure on private pathology companies trying to deal with the extreme demand and vowed to increase the system's capacity. Adam Walters, Sky News.